Hello guys, it's me again. So for today's video, I will show you on how to lock your profile picture in your Facebook account. Let's go! So the first step is click your Facebook app. After you click your Facebook app, click that button on the top and scroll it down and you will see the setting and privacy. Click the setting and privacy and click setting. After you click the setting, scroll it down and you will see the profile locking. After you see the profile locking, click it. So after you click your profile locking, click lock your profile. So if you click it already, click the OK. And after you click it, your profile picture is totally locked. So if you want to unlock your profile, click your unlock profile. Click unlock and unlock your profile. So after you click that, click OK. And now your Facebook is unlocked. And if you like this video guys, please like and subscribe. Thank you.